Maybank Family and Friends Credit Card June 2020 update. In the month of June, Maybank paid me $50 for charging $1,000 of my spending into the card. Yes, credit card gives free money in the form of cashback or rewards. If you do not increase your spending but charging money you would have spent anyways into your credit card instead of paying them in cash, you will be greatly rewarded. Hello, Calebby here. It's been a while since we talked about credit cards. So today in this short video, we are touching a little bit on the updates of my Maybank Family and Friends credit card June updates. How has my card performed thus far? Now remember, my previous favorite credit card, Citibank Cashback credit card, was paying me about $30 to $40 for charging $1,000 to it every single month. But this Maybank one has been paying me pretty consistently $50 every single month since I got the card earlier this year. See if I can put the link to my first Maybank credit card update right here or here so that you can check it out if you have not done so already. Now for the June updates, I'll put the statement right here for your viewing pleasure, of course with my personal particulars taken out. Now another interesting thing to note is, while I was preparing for this video, I received an update that I have been credited $70 in cashback for my Maybank Family and Friends credit card just a few days ago for my spending in June. Now if that $70 in cashback is true, then this might be the highest cashback that I've earned thus far without increasing my spending exponentially. The spending charged to that card would be probably very likely about $1,000 plus minus $100-200, but should be about the same as any other month. Therefore, in one of the future uploads, I will very likely be touching on this $70 cashback earned in a single month and the spending that was charged to get there. Now, if you are new here, this channel is about personal finance, but we have a series on credit card. I'll put the link here as well so that you can check it out if you are new to this channel. We also have some money making tips, legal of course, so no bank robberies, no heist scams or cheating involved. Well, maybe cheating the system, or is that an exploit? Nah, it's just a smarter way to charge spending you would have spent anyways onto credit cards so that you can earn rewards even without adding a single cent into your spending. Because if you are paying it in cash, cold hard cash, then you would get zero rewards for your spending. But if you charge certain spending into certain credit cards, you would be able to get rewards or cashback for this case, getting paid day in and day out, month in and month out for spending you would have spent anyways. Now we have been away from credit card for some time. To be honest, the credit card series was one of the funnest period of uploading in this channel. It was taxing to do the homework to research on the different cards, but it was fun because I learned a lot on credit cards during that entire period. I believe there was over 20 videos done on the different credit cards and topics relating to credit cards out of the 50 to 60 over videos that were uploaded on this channel. And the best performing videos are mostly from the credit card series. So I guess most of you are viewing this because of credit card. If that's true, smash the like button so that more people who are searching for credit card tips would be able to find this video that you are watching right now. And once again, if you are new to this channel, feel free to subscribe down below and comment for any questions you have relating to credit card, or even if it's not a credit card question, relating to personal finance or investing. Liking this video would push it out to more people who are interested in similar topics like you and I. So in the next upload, I will be breaking down this June spending and the cashback earned, and then in another future upload, I will be breaking down the spending that got me $70 in cashback. But for now, thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you guys next time.